Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back. It's been a while since I've been out here working on this. You know, everybody's been in this muggy heat wave. I'm in eastern Kentucky, and we finally got a cold front to come through. And I've been fighting a severe migraine for about 35 days now, but I'm good. What I'm going to do is today is dig my holes for my posts for my door entryways. I got to dig 4 holes, and I'm going to concrete these for 1 foot deep, and they're going to be 36 inches apart. So all we're going to do today is we're going to dig 4 1 foot deep holes, and I'm going to mark my treated 2x4s at 1 foot, and we're going to concrete them in standing straight up so they can cure overnight. So tomorrow I can get in here and put my baseboard in, screw everything down, put my side braces in, and put my ridge cap across the top of the door. But I'm gonna go ahead and mark this, let you guys watch. I may speed it up or may jump through it, but enjoy it nonetheless. And we're working outside, coffee's a must. So I'm gonna go over here and mark some of these boards at 1 foot. Just go ahead and get that out of the way. Now my ground's not perfectly level here, so whenever I set these in 1 foot, I'll figure out which is the shortest after everything's set, and I'll cut the other one off, use a level, and that way my doors will be the same height on each side. I won't have one 6 feet 9 inches and one 6 feet 12. I'll cut them off level. But these holes should be fairly easy to dig. Like I said, 1 foot deep, and this has got measurements on it, 15, 16, 17 inches. We're gonna go somewhere about right in here. Should be 1 foot deep, and we'll measure it, make sure we get at least 1 foot, then that's where we'll stop. But I got my string line here, as you can see it. I'm gonna pull it out of the way. And I'm just gonna start digging us a hole. This ground's easy to dig. I don't care if there's dirt on camera, that's not work. Let's take a measure and see how deep we are here. Probably pretty close. A couple more inches. Easy breezy. Now I don't know if this part's necessary or not, but it's just the way I'm gonna do it. I feel it's make the whole structure stronger. Right at it, guys. So we're going to stop right there on that hole. Have another drink of coffee. See where that coming up to on our digger. Yeah, about what I said, somewhere in there. So this next hole we'll know we're close when it gets there. Keep it up there, get ready. Get on with this. I'll be back. Good me, guys. Lays in here so people know there's holes there, they won't get their foot broke. That looks pretty close, guys. We need to move down to the other end now. Give you a look at it there. More to be plenty. But we're going to do this the same way. I'll show you how I did that, how I got the cloth out of the way and everything, and we'll start digging, but I won't bore you through it. First, we got to make our marks. Now, since I know my string was where I want everything to go, I'll center this up like this in the middle of it and just pound one time. Over here, do the same thing. The center of it. Right there on one side of my hole. There's the other side. Do this the same way. That's where we'll dig our holes. But like I said, guys, I'm not going to bore you with this. We'll get it started, and I'll see you guys in a second. Okay, guys. What do you think? Think it'll work? Think I need to get pouring some concrete. Make sure my... Okay, guys. Before I got to this part, the GoPro died on me. The battery lied to me. It wasn't where it's supposed to be. But you can see I got the posts set in and concreted. They're nice and square. I have a 33-inch wide door, 36 on the outside, 33 on the inside. Not sure on the height yet, but I'm not too worried about that. We can trim those down. See what it looks like here. Nice and straight. Same thing on this one. 36 on the outside and 33 on the inside. But you should be set up well enough tomorrow that I can get these in here and my cross bracing to go from here to there and there to here, and my gap at the top, my ridge for my door, should be able to do that. And I should be able to get my bottom on too, on both sides. I don't think I have enough lumber to do it with or not. Probably don't. I'm probably going to be about 2 boards short. Then I gotta get some screws and piece all this together. And my next phase will be, get this so dirty jacket out of the way for one, is to get my channel lock for my wiggle wire channel ordered and on the end hoops. Then she'll be ready for plastic, guys. They won't be long. But before I put plastic on, I'm gonna trench in some electrical here for some lights. That's not going to be the light that I'm using. I'm going to put probably 3 8-foot LED lights in here. It'll make this thing look like the sun at nighttime. But that's an update. Sorry you missed this part, what I did. But you know, it's just the way technology works sometimes. Anyway, guys, appreciate it. See ya.